Morning, ladies and gentlemen. I must apologize profusely. We should have started earlier. That's one or two glitches that we're trying to take care of. We hope you find it convenient for you to pardon us. Let us start now that time has quickly run. I'll request us to kindly stand through national prayer and a quick prayer from the Parliament Imam, Honorable Latif Sebakala Senyendo. Please come and lead us in the national anthem and prayer, and we start. Let's humble ourselves for the prayer for national anthem. Oh, Uganda, we lay our future in thy hand. United, free for liberty, together we always stand. Let us remain standing. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, our God, we have assembled here to brief this country about pertinent issues. We pray for your guidance. We know you created us in the best picture. You created us when we are all equal in your eyes. We seek for your guidance in whatever we intend to do. Bless our party, National Unity Platform. Save it from all forces of evil. Guide our country. Save our country from undemocratic forces. Ya Allah, protect our president to be protect him from all forces of evil. We know we are weak, but in your eyes and in your sight, we are strong. We know there are those who have forces and who have all the might they can talk about. We know that you are going to protect us so that we can sail through. By 2021, Honorable Kyagulanyi Ssentamu is declared the winner of the presidential elections, inshallah. God protect us, and guide us to what is the most right. Ameen, ameen, ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I remain Alhaji Latif Sebakala Senyendo, Lord Mayor to be, inshallah. People power, our power, people power. NUP, everywhere, everywhere, NUP. Please be seated. Once again, you're welcome to today's press conference. I'm going to just highlight one or two things, and then I'll invite some of my comrades, some of my colleagues, to highlight a few other issues, and then our team leader, Honorable Kyagulanyi, will wrap it up with an address. The NRM primaries did happen on Friday. I am not a member of the NRM, certainly, but I'm a Ugandan, and we in the National Unity Platform, we kept observing what was happening within the NRM primaries. Why? Because for starters, we saw the violence that happened, we saw the death of some people, and for us that concerns us. The death of anybody, regardless of where they belong, is very disturbing. But even more importantly, because the NRM is the party that is in power currently, and of course the outgoing, I should say. And so the way things happen within their political party, it presupposes that's how they might happen in the general election, because the leaders
of that party, and for that matter government, are the ones going to organize or superintend over the upcoming election. And so whatever happened there was of very big concern to us. We take concern in the violence, that's one. Violence should not be acceptable in today's day and age, just because people are desirous to become office bearers. The death of people is totally unacceptable. Our hope is that investigations are going to be carried out swiftly and the perpetrators to be brought, as opposed to the usual stories here. We shall investigate, and if it is a few powerful people in government that are involved, the investigations might never happen. We hope this will happen as swiftly as possible, such that the country gets to know who did what, and then they are called to order. There were allegations from leaders within the NRM that the National Unity Platform, NUP, participated in their electoral process and caused the loss of some of these powerful shots. Of course, we found it surprising. So they have always said that NUP is only here in Kampala. So now are they conceding that NUP is in Koboko, NUP is in Shema, NUP is in the east and all these other parts of the country? NUP. So they are conceding what we have always said, that NUP is everywhere. Hence their concession that NUP did cause the loss of some of these powerful people in government. With all the Maje and all these different things, they are saying NUP floored the Maje, NUP floored the money which they haven't used in this election. But also, it's a confession on their part. It's a confession that they are not in charge. Because if you say that members of another political party came and participated, let me try and use another mic and see how things go. So I was saying that it's a confession on their part that they are not in charge. Because if you say that members of another political party came and participated in your party primaries and ran the show and make sure some candidates lost the seats, that means you're not in charge, you're not in control. Which worries us. It's something we have always told them. You're actually not in charge of our country. You're not in charge of the state of affairs. Little wonder we are telling them, please bid us farewell and let people who can be in charge take over. So that's a confession by the NRM that they are not in charge of their political party. Little wonder they are not in charge of our country. Things keep happening, the corruption, the mismanagement, and they're literally not in charge. We have taken note of that confession on their part. What we are saying is our upcoming election should learn lessons from the NRM primaries. If you don't organize an election in a free and fair manner, in an organized manner, if the registers are not clear who is meant to vote, who is not meant to vote, and all these different things, resultantly there will be violence. Which violence is uncalled for, which violence is unnecessary in our country. Our upcoming election, it is our call, it is our demand as the National Unity Platform that the upcoming election gets to be organized properly, in a free and fair manner, in an organized manner, that the registers get to be clear, those meant to be on the register are there, that there gets to be no confusion. Somebody is meant to be in the register voting from Tinda, but then all of a sudden they've been thrown in Naguru or wherever else, and all that confusion. Once things are done the right way, then there's no reason for there to be violence. Elections are very emotive. People invest heavily. They invest their time, they invest their resources, they invest their emotions, etc., etc. So if things are not done right, they get agitated. Hence the violence that is uncalled for. So our call to the National Electoral Commission and to the government that is in charge currently, please organize an election that is free and fair, that is organized, that is clear to every Ugandan to be free and fair in every sense. The lawyers say justice should not only be done, it should be seen to be done. So the election should not only be free and fair, it should be seen to be free and fair. People should have confidence in the election. People should have confidence in the managers of the electoral process. That's very important for us to make sure there's no violence, to make sure there's no bloodshed in our upcoming election. Coming to our internal processes as the National Unity Platform. One of my colleagues is going to talk about, to highlight further, the candidate selection criteria. We have talked about it. We'll keep talking about it to remind people how all this gets to happen. However, I will reiterate our position as the party. We're going through the process of selecting candidates, those that will hold the flag for the National Unity Platform. For starters, the flag of the National Unity Platform for any position is not for sale. That should be made unequivocally clear. No one should buy or should attempt to pay money with the intention of being given the flag. And in the same quest, no one should be tempted to receive any money from any candidate with the intention of giving them a flag for National Unity Platform. For starters, it's a futile process. It's futile because we have processes through which one gets to acquire the flag. So you paying money is a total waste of time and your money to anybody. And any single individual that receives money, it's not an individual that decides. It's an entire process that is carried out by a team. So anybody that might tell you, give me money, I'll make sure you get the flag, you are wasting your money. And this person is not going to deliver on that promise they're giving you. We are a non-corrupt entity. We are fighting President Museveni's regime because of corruption, among several other things. And so we're not going to entertain corruption on our end. So anybody that is out there that might say, somebody is probably asking me for money with the promise of making sure I get the flag, please do let us know. And as the leadership of the party, we are going to take quick, swift action against those persons. Do let us know about these issues if they are happening at all. With evidence, that's going to be very important for us to have evidence on which we can act. And today we want to give you 2 phone numbers that you can call in case you have any matter to report in regards to our election process, our election management process. If you have any concern whatsoever, because we must be transparent now, we must be corruption-free now, we must be organized now, and that's how Ugandans will have confidence that we are going to run our country when it takes charge the right way. So here are 2 numbers that I'm going to read out to you. Anybody that might have any concern about our election management process. We are happy with the way it's moving on so far, but we know that once in a while there could be some mistakes that might happen, and when they do happen, do let us know for us to take action. These numbers are 0752 416099. There's also 0772 507616. I'm going to read those numbers again. 0752 416099 or 0772 507616. Those are hotlines we are putting out there in case one has any challenge or any complaint to raise. Do pass on your communication through these telephone numbers. If you call and the number is engaged, because I'm sure they're going to get very busy, please send a message, either WhatsApp or even preferably an SMS, so that your issue can be captured and it gets to be handled. So do help us in this process. We want to make sure our election management process is carried out properly in an organized manner, but in a free and fair manner. The same demands we are making on the National Election Committee led by Justice Simon Byabakama. Very quickly, for the sake of our Uganda media houses, okusokera ddala fenga NUP twali tulengera akalulu akamyufu aka NRM nga kagenda maaso si lwakubanga tuli bamemba ba NRM naye lwakubanga tuli bannansi ate ebigenda maaso mu kibiina ekitwala eggwanga lyattu kaakano bitukwatako bwe tulaba emivuyo bwe tulaba okuyiwa omusaayi bwe tulaba abantu abafa kitukwatako nga NUP kubanga tuli bannansi omuntu yenna okufa kiba kikyamu era tekitukwatako kabenga wagiraani kiba kikyamu fenga NUP kitukakatako okwogera ku nsonga zino nga tugamba bannaffe ebyagenze maaso ekikwatako mutandisa okunoonyereza ripooti zivaayo ddi kubanga abakulembeze bamanyi okwogera ku bintu bino. Tugenda kunoonyereza ono gwe basse, ono gwe bakubye amasasi, ono gwe bakyusizaako obulabe, naye lipoota ezitafuluma ng'eggwanga. Tubagamba lipoota ezo tuzirindiridde, kubanga gavumenti ezenge tusuubiza lipoota ezitavangayo. Yasindika amagwe batira mu Arua n'abalala bonna abazze battibwa, ne kaakano alipoota tezikutumanga. Batugambye nti alipoota zigenda kufuluma, tuzirinze era abagize emisango kasubire nti bajja kukolebwako nga bwe kirina okubeera. Abakulembeze mu NRM okusookera ddala baalumiriza NUP okwetaba mu kalulu kaabwe, era nti kyekyaleeteddwa abanene abamu mu NRM okumegebwa. Kati tugamba sokoleke, mwali mugamba nti NUP eri wano mu Kampala mwokka, kakati mukkiriza nti NUP eri ne mu Bukoko, eri Sheema, eri e Soroti, Mbarara, bitundu by'eggwanga byonna. Kati abakulu bakakasiza nti NUP eri buli wamu, gaffe bwe tutera okugamba nti NUP everywhere. Everywhere NUP. Kasukaali bakawulidde ndowooza bwe bagambye. Okay. Babadde bakikatiriza ekyo. Naye ekyokubiri, ensonga ey'okubiri enkulu ennyo, kubanga bagambye nti NUP yeetabye mu kalulu kaabwe. Kati abakulu bano bakakasizza, bakkiriza nti tebali in charge, ebigenda mu maaso tebabimanyi. Olaba akalulu k'akamyufu k'ekibiina kyabwe bagamba nti ab'ekibiina ekirala ti NUP bakeetabyemu batya. Ekitegeeza temuli in charge, bemukola temubitegeera. Ekitegeeza nti mwatu muli incompetent. Era kyetuze tubagamba nti n'engeri gye bakwasaganyamu eby'eggwanga lyattu lino n'obululu obw'eggwanga bye bakola tebabitegeera. Olaba akalulu k'ekibiina ate ng'ekibiina kitono ku ggwanga lyonna kabalemye okutegeka, nabo ne bakkiriza nti mwatu byatulemye. Olaba n'ab'ekibiina ekirala bazze ne bakyetabamu akamyufu kaffe. Ekitegeeza bye bakola tebabitegeera. Ekyo tuva tugamba budde ku sayidi abanaasobola okukwasaganya ensonga z'eggwanga batambule nga bagenda mu maaso. Mu bufuwe bumu ku nsonga z'akalulu, ffe nga NUP enteekateeka zigenda mu maaso ez'okusunsula okufuna abanaatukwatira bendera ku bifo eby'enjawulo. Era munnange ajja kujja addemu akatiize ensonga eno nga bwe tuzze tukola nga tubategeeza formula criteria eryetya oli okufuna bendera. Naye twagala okukikatiriza nga National Unity Platform nti okufuna flag, okufuna bendera ya NUP, flag eyo tetundibwa, tegulibwa. Era omuntu yenna takemebwa okugezaako aweeyo ssente nti bamuwe flaga, ate twabaye n'omuntu yenna akemebwa okusaba ssente oba okufuna ssente ng'akakasa nti nja kufunira flaga nze tondaba ntambula ne Honorable Kyagulanyi nekubisa ebifaananyi naye oba ndi kakiiko oba ki. Ekintu ekyo kikyamu tekigenda kukkirizibwamu NUP. Ffe tulwanyisa Mwami Museveni ebimu ku byo lwa nguzi n'ebirala. So n'olwekyo tetuyinza ate kukkiriza nguzi mu kibiina kyaffe. Bannayuganda tulina obbalagako nti enguzi tulina ogirwanyisa kaakano. Saakira twe tuyingira obukulembeze tujja girwanyisiza ddala, si mu bigambo naye mu bikolwa. Twagala okusaba bannansi abali eyo nti bw'obanga olina obuzibu bwonna bw'osanze mu prosesi eno ey'okusunsulamu bannaffe abanaafuna fulaga era nga beekuusa ku ssente oba ensonga yonna, mututegeezeeko ensonga ezo tuzikwasaganye. Abalina okuvunaanibwa bavunaanibwe, abalina okukangavulwa bakangavulwe ng'amateeka g'ekibiina kyaffe bwe gagamba. Era tulina n'ennamba ze tugenda obbawa ze muyinza okuteekayo alipoota n'ogamba nti nze era bansabe ssente oba wali bigenda maaso wano byesikaanya nabyo, osobola okukuba ennamba zino n'otegeezaako bannaffe bano bategeeze obukulembeze bw'ekibiina ensonga ezo zikwasaganyibwe. Ngenda soma ennamba zino 0752 41 6 99. n'endala 0772 5 7 16 enamba ezo kanziddemu 0752 41 6 9 eyokubiri 0772 5 7 16 alina ensonga yonna ayekuusako ebyo byenjogedde ebyesente naki bane mututegeezeeko kubanga twagala okugogola nga tutandika kaakano bwe tunatuuka mu gavumenti nga bannayuganda batwesiga nga balagi anti okugogola bakutandika eri nekitegeeza bino bajja bisobola so mututegeezeeko ensonga ezo tusobole okuzikwasaganya nga bukyali. I am going to invite Comrade Aisha Kabanda, who is our Deputy Secretary General, but she's also in charge of our fundraising process because we've had some misinformation going out there. You know, people in Uganda are really sharp. So we give out a number and say this is the number to use, but then somebody there say, I put out on social media and say, but if this number is not going through, you can use this one. Then they put their number. So Comrade Aisha, who is in charge of fundraising, is going to highlight on that very quickly, and then we'll keep moving. Comrade Aisha, you're welcome.
Thank you, JS, Mr. President, my Secretary General and colleagues. First of all, I want to bring down the fears of JS that is being blamed and NUP in general for participating in the NRM primaries as they assume. That in my village we did it the other way around. They claim we did the other way around by threatening others not to turn up. Because in my own village, only 9 people turned up for elections, and the neighborhood only 3 turned up. And now our fault is that we've demobilized people. So indeed we are everywhere. The day we launched our fundraising campaign, Muda Komuda, some wise Ugandans in quotes, they chose to go out and started mobilizing for themselves. One started that very day. Reports have come to our desk in Kajansi, putting on a very good overall in red, clad in red, fundraising for himself. And we have to inform Ugandans that we are aware that you have challenges of the number that we gave to you, but it's the number we still use. 0703 63 63 63. 0703 63 63 63. Of course, because the NRM regime fears us so much, they have restricted that number to only 50 transactions a day. That's why many times when you want to put on money, it says it's beyond limit. We are trying to see how we go about that challenge. I'm sure we shall overcome it, but we have not been able, we haven't given another number yet, an alternate number. Do not rush to send your money in a way that it will not reach us. You better delay your donation than giving it out to other people that might use it in a way that's going to be counterproductive. True, we have teams of people that are moving out in the field. They are moving in pairs. They are moving in pairs. None of them is moving individually. They have receipt books and they have our membership cards. So if a person contributes to Muda Komuda by either paying 5,000 shillings or so, we actually register them and give them membership cards and give them a receipt that also has one of the numbers that has been read to us here, 0752 416099. And I want to say, in case any people come to you there and you have suspected them, do not hesitate to call us on the same numbers, 0752 416099 or 0772 507616. I want to thank Ugandans that have been vigilant enough, because I've had those that have called me. Thank you so much for being vigilant. I am sure together, kino tujja kukikusa. We also have a link that you may choose to use. Sauda, if you may stay, Commander Sauda, that link, for some of you can access the internet. You may use that link, https://peoplepower.org.ug.donate/. That money is safe. It will come direct to us. It's on our website. But you don't have to visit the website to get that link. You can simply key it into your smartphone and be able to access our donation box. Just to say that briefly in Uganda, Bannayuganda bagezigezi bangi balaba omukisa ogukola ssente olunaku lwe twatongoza fundraising campaign yaffe ne batandika okujja okufera abantu baffe nga bagamba nti boogezaako ennamba yaffe eri eya 0703636363 buneegaana nti gezaako ennamba yaabwe. Tetunnaba kuteeka wabweru nnamba ndala, tukyakozesa eyo yokka okufuna ssente zaffe. Tukimanyi ennamba eyo erina okusoomoozebwa. Abasajja bano kubanga batutya nnyo, babatya nnyo, bamanyi nti musobolera mumalako. Baasalawo okusiba ennamba yaffe okubanga tosobola kufuna ssente ziwera, abantu 5 oluteekako ssente nga yeesiba. Naye naffe tumoga tugezaako okusala amagezi agasala amakubo amalala. Nabwe ekityo nga bwe tukyasala amagezi ge tugenda okubabuulira, togezaako okukozesa nnamba ndala kubanga bajja kutubba eyo ennamba gye tukyakozesa. Tulina abantu baffe batambula eyo mu field nga basonda ssente za mudaku muda, teri atambula omu, batambula mu pairs babiri ekitono ennyo. Balina receipt book era kuliko ennamba y'essimu eyo gye boogedde 0752 416099. Batambula ne membership cards. Buli atuwa essente tuleka tumuregisterinze nga member waffe ne bakuwa card era ne bakuyingiza mu bitabo byaffe. Obwo bumu ku bubonero bw'oyinza okwawula omufere ku bantu baffe. Naye bw'obanga osanze abantu b'olowoozezza nti bafere, osobola okukuba ennamba eyo oba okukuba ennamba endala 0772 507616. Twebaza abatuwadde ssente, bannange mwebale nnyo Bannayuganda, muli balungi. President, njagala kukutegeeza nti buli lunaku tufuna abantu abajja ne bateeka ssente wano mu bokisi yaffe. Ne tutabaawo kitegeeza Bannayuganda yagenda kateekemu akaabwe. Mwebalire ddala n'abaguze certificate. Ogezaako ennamba eri n'eremwa, osobola okugenda oba olina essimu eya smartphone n'oyingizaamu link eyo eri https://peoplepower.org.ug.donate/. Bw'oteekako akasente konna katuuka mutereevu. Mwana wattu ne bw'oteekako ezitali ze Uganda oba dola oba pound, kika kyonna kituuka. Tubeebaza, tubakakasa nti nga tuli wamu tujja kukiggusa. Together we can. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Aisha. Waliwo yayimba akayimba n'aga nti Mr. Money. Kakati ffe tulina Miss Money. Thank you, Aisha, and your colleagues that are helping us in this process. And we call on people out there. Many, by the way, the reason we decided to put this in place is because people were asking us, we want to make our contribution. How do we do that? And we kept telling them, no, don't send it to my personal number because now it might get mixed up with tomatoes for minor. But if we are going to give you a number and all of that. And so it's a response to that. Let's see how we do this together. Let me invite Comrade David Lewis, our Secretary General, to talk to us about some of the ongoing budget processes and a few other things.
Thank you so much, Comrade Joel, Mr. President, and fellow leaders, Honorables K. Particular Omusoga. Mine is to give updates about some ongoing budget processes. The first one being the candidate selection exercise, which many comrades have been asking us about. As we did inform you last week, we have a criteria which we are going to use in line with our constitution, and of course also the ongoing COVID situation and other considerations. The criteria is that we have our election management committee, which has been doing a great job, and you all know about it. And we also have regional election management committees looking at especially the lower local government positions and vetting candidates. But for the National Election Management Committee, which is vetting candidates for members of parliament and mayors of cities and other municipalities, the vetting exercise is going to take two forms. One is in interaction with the committee. The candidate's interaction with the committee will account for a certain percentage, but we have also put in place teams of very, very credible people who will go to the ground and find out what people are saying. Because ours is people power, we cannot do anything without involving the people. So I wanted to clarify that candidate selection is just not going to be done by a committee seated somewhere in Kampala or at the regional level, but we are going to find out what the people on the ground are saying, who they think represents our values and other aspirations that we have. Maybe also to notify the country that we have kick-started the process of collecting signatures for our candidate, the Honorable Robert Setamu Kyagulanyi. NUP? Everywhere? Yeah, so we have started that process, and we hope that I don't know if this microphone is as selective as COVID-19 in Uganda, which affects only opposition people and not the NRM people. But comrades, we have started that process. We are required by law to collect 100 signatures from 90 districts of Uganda. Already we have people calling us from all corners of Uganda. They want to sign and be able to nominate our candidate. But we have said that we'll give them much more than enough signatures that they want. So when you see those forms, please sign them, put your NIN number, and make sure that our candidate has all the requirements which are required by law for him to be successfully nominated, and therefore be able to be in State House in a few months from now. The final question that people have been asking us is a question of our symbol. As you know, comrades, we notified the Electoral Commission a long time ago, it's over a month and a half now, about our new design of our symbol. Our symbol is an umbrella. Even today it's an umbrella. What is there is an umbrella. But we wanted it to reflect all our colors. And the Electoral Commission, of course, has not put it back to us. And we have been putting them to task to see if they are independent and if they are not following the same bird that had eaten them up when they were saying that we could not use red, even when there was no one complaining about it. So we're going to give you updates on that as well. I'm Yogere Muluganda. Okay, but I would ekikwatiriire n'okulonda abantu abakakwatira ebendera eya NUP nasobola nti nituza kutaba prosesi ey'okuleba ngu mwija masomesho g'akakiiko akalukulonda abalatukwatira ebendera bw'oga tukuza kukoma hali ekyo nituza kutuma n'abantu baitu kuza omu myanya erimu etsimbireho. So abantu baitu nibaza kuza Masaka municipality, baze Kabera Maido, baze buli kicweka kihangeri, babuuze abantu b'abantu nibagamba ki ansonga y'omuntu owakwenda tukwatira ebendera. So nikyona ningamba ekyo kugira ngu tutukuza kushitama aha tukole ebintu konka ebintu ndi people power, so nituba tulina kuleba w'abantu boona booko bagira nabo bagira eki bakola aha ngendererwaho egi ey'okulonda bakandidate bitu. Ekyakabiri nagira nti tutandikireho okulunda n'emikono y'abantu abarukuza kushagika kandidate witu Honorable Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Fomu zitu niza kuba nizijuza mu district zinangeri yona olagireyo egyo fomu ohandikeho izina lyawe oteho nin number oteho parishi oteho sub county na district eyokuligamu kugira ngu tube tulina emikono nibenda emikono 9 kuruga mu district za Uganda emikono 100 kuruga mu district 9 konga nituza kugezaho kureba ngu twatunga emikono okuruga mu buli district ya Uganda yona abokuba n'abatundu gambira tubona nibakishaba nibenda ngu basayininge ampapula ezo ekyamuheru n'ekyasimbo yitu sembo yitu omunyagano nibagyeta manvuli kashi omutaka actually omunyagano nibagyeta omutaka simbo yitu n'omutaka ogogo omutaka ogw'okulina konka kala zitu twandikira electoral commission babagira ngu simbo yitu kala eziturikwenda muzizemu konka n'ekyatugambira ekiragiro n'omukirabo nikibahereza ebiro 20 ekiragiro n'omukirabo nikibahereza ebiro 21 okutugalikamu tubaka tugalikiremu kutugambira mu simbo yanyu twaja approvinga mbwenu nitwenda kubatahaninga kureba ngu omu wiiki egiyaza kutandika batugambira ekiri kugenda omu maisho kandi batubuzabuza tuza kubatwara omu kooti kurebeka ngu simbo yitu ekirikwenda twagitunga omu bwire butari bwahari bewali munonga kumpulirikiza bana abasajja abitegedde naye kati
babarakiriza ate yambwenu migambe mbwenu yegenesereze nomanya onywani bitwaba abanyankole nanye bakampizi nibakira kunyeta Joel tukashaba Ruhango omwana w'obwojo yatugirira embabazi yamutuhereza nizi narimwe so sharaho olwo bagira ngu Joel lutuka. Okay, let me invite our team leader, Honorable Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, wale anayogera ku Lunyankole. Naye abitubulire eweka musa. Wewe mnonga mjenzi wanje Joel Twinenyonyi. Thank you very much, comrades. I bring you greetings and I salute all of you. But before anything, I want you to join me to celebrate one of our senior leaders, our Deputy President in charge of Northern Uganda, Dr. Zedriga Waru Lina. Today is her birthday and she's turning 59. She's not here with us because she's on duty in Northern Uganda. But Comrade Zedriga, wherever you know, I want you to know we celebrate you, we love you, and we wish you a very happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Zedriga. Happy birthday to you. Well, for now, all we can do is celebrate our comrades and wish them a long life. In the same breath, ladies and gentlemen, I want to salute all the comrades, especially our foot soldiers, those unsung heroes, the men and women that in most cases are actually not running for office, but are always there struggling day and night to ensure that we have a better country. The Sauda Madadas of this world, the Bobby Youngs of this world, the Demgasta Opondos of this world, the Ambassador Wafabes and Atete of this world, the Edith Praise of this world, the Selecta Davies of this world, the Norbert Elbers. I cannot mention all your names, comrades. Just know we have you at heart. Ladies and gentlemen, there's not so much to say because its challenges everywhere. But allow me briefly to join the many voices that are condemning the double standards of the NRM regime in terms of enforcing the so-called COVID regulations. You have seen that recently the NRM party held the primaries, which gathered hundreds of thousands of people across the country. These people were guarded by the police and the military, unhindered. But again, at the same time, actually even yesterday, our teams in Agago, our teams in Hoima, and even in Butambara, our teams that were led by our Deputy Secretary General were dispersed. Many of them were arrested, others brutalized, just for gathering, just for doing politics. Those are the double standards and the hypocrisy of the NRM regime that we continue to condemn. We recently responded to a few of President Museveni's recent assertions on tribalism, shamelessly condemning tribalism and yet practicing it at the same time. President Museveni came out to say we kill our own supporters to blame government, effectively meaning that we killed Yasin Kauma, that we killed Asumani Waliendo, that we killed Sweet Pepsi, that we killed Rita, Nabukenya, and others. Shame. Ladies and gentlemen, the recent violence cannot go unmentioned, which took place in the NRM primaries. You all saw the rigging, the blatant rigging that took place even within their party primaries. But again, untold violence was unleashed. For a long time, these people have been calling us hooligans. They've been calling us goons. But I think the whole country saw who the real hooligans and the real goons are. You also, when a government minister, Honorable Kutana, pulled out a gun and attempted to murder people. You also, when Honorable Waliomo, the MP of Kagoma, was fist fighting, moreover with a woman. Shame on them. Again, I must say that President Museveni should be ashamed of himself, coming out to condemn violence. Yesterday he was on the media condemning people who beat innocent citizens. I don't know if it's cut age that he forgets very quickly, but as far as I remember, he is the same person that was less than a month ago congratulating his guards, the SFC, for apparently beating me properly. Shame. Ladies and gentlemen, the impunity of the regime has continued. The corruption, you have seen it. You have seen the NRM using taxpayers' money, using the money they borrow in your name, in the name of your child and your grandchild. They're using it for their party primaries. They're using it to corrupt people. They're using it to buy motorcycles and bicycles to buy voters. Shame. I also want to comment, ladies and gentlemen, on the impunity and misuse of government firearms. You all saw videos awash social media of one Sipapa carrying a gun with his goons, trying to kill our young men and women that we were working up there in our place that we favorably call Firebase. We still call upon the police to do their noble duty, because the world is watching you, the country is watching you, and everything that is going on under your watch, you are answerable and you will continue to be answerable. I also want to comment on the arrest of our people, of our members, the arrest of our agents that go around registering National Unity Platform members. Many of them have been arrested, some have been released, while others are still in detention. Apparently, they are being accused of recruiting rebels, registering rebels. What a scared regime. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, I want to reiterate the words of our spokesperson. We have had complaints and reports of extortion. And I want to reassert this, that the National Unity Platform flag is not for sale. We condemn corruption, we detest corruption, we fight corruption in the struggle just the same way we're going to fight corruption when we take power. So kindly be part of it. Kindly reach out. If anybody is asking for money from you to be a flag bearer, please report that, because if you do not report corruption, then you are taking part in the corruption. Don't give any money to be a flag bearer of the National Unity Platform. The flag is not for sale. This is about the people. We condemn corruption and we call upon you, ladies and gentlemen, to also stamp your feet down. Basebo ne banyabo tubebaza mwena okubaawo leero, twongera okwebaza bannamawulire mwebale kuliranga kuyita kwaffe ne muba naffe. Munaffe yabeetondedde olw'okubeera leeti okwogerako gye muli era nyongera okutuusa okwetonda kwaffe gye muli. Njagala mu ngeri y'enjawulo okuyozaayoza omumyuka waffe Dr. Zedriga Lina Waru olunaku olwaleero ge mazaalibwa ge era nga wezezza emyaka 59 egy'obuto. Tasobodde kubeera naffe olwaleero kubanga ali mu mambuka ga Uganda, ali mu kukola mirimu gya People Power egya NUP. Naye Dr. yonna gy'oli tukwagala nnyo, tukwenyumirizaamu era tukwagaliza amazaalibwa amalungi. Mpozi mu ddoboozi lye limu njagala okwebaza bannaffe bonna abagenda maaso okukola omulimu ettendo ogw'okulwana okununula eggwanga lyaffe. Olwaleero njagala kwebaza n'okussaamu ekitiibwa abo bannaffe be tuyita aba foot soldiers, abaana balenzi ne baana bawala abaatala Afia. Ate ng'ekyewuunyisa ebiseera ebisinga sigamba nti beesimbyeyo mu kifo kyonna, naye buli gy'olaga obalaba tebakyuka, tebagulirirwa, basibwa mu makomera. Bannaffe tubassaamu ekitiibwa. Nyinza obutamamalayo mannya naye manyi nti gye muli ffenna tubaagala nnyo. Ba Sauda Madada, ba Bobi Yanga, ba Dennis Site, ba Demugasto Pondo, ba Ambassador Fabe Senatete, ba Edi Mutwe, ba Dogo Site, ba Norbert Elba. Tetusobola bamalayo bannange, naye Katonda abawe gye musinga okwagala. Twagala okugatta amaloboozi gaffe ku maloboozi amangi agavuddeyo nga gavumirira obunnanfuusi obwa gavumenti ya NRM ekulemberwa Mwami Museveni. Kyewuunyisa nnyo basebo ne bannyabo okulaba nti gavumenti eyagamba nti yateekawo amateeka ag'okulwanyisa obulwadde bwa COVID-19 ate nga yo kennyini yeekuba obulipo ku mateeka ge gamu ge yassaawo. Mwalabye akamyufu ka NRM nga kagenda maaso emitwalo n'emitwalo gy'abantu eyo ogenda okulonda, ogenda okwenyigira mu kamyufu kabwe nga bwe babadde bakikola nga tewali abakuba ku mukono, poliisi n'amagye nga bwe babakuuma. Naye ate ttiimu zaffe ababadde bakuŋŋaanye ng'ate bantu batono 23 bagenze ne bakwatibwa, abamu ne basibibwa, balala ne bakubwamu omukka ogubalagala mu bitundu bya Gago, mu bitundu bya Hoima ne bitundu bye Butambala ebyadde bikulembeddwa omumyuka wa Ssaabawandiisi waffe Hajat Aisha Kabanda. Twagala nnyo mpozi n'okwongera okukaatiriza bye twafulumizza gye buvuddeko nga twanukula Pulezidenti Museveni bye yayogedde gye buvuddeko ebiraga obunnanfuusi bwe. Yeefudde avumirire nnyo okusosola mu mawanga, naye nga buli omu bw'aba atunudde okusosola mu mawanga bw'aba mwana kitaawe ye Museveni. tewali gavumenti esosodde mu mawanga nga gavumenti ya President Museveni. Kale no kya buswavu nnyo okulaba nti ate yavaayo neyefuula avumirira okusosola mawanga. Yavuddeyo gye buvudde n'agamba nti ffe kennyini aba NUP aba People Power tutta abawagizi baffe ate ne tumala ne tuvumirira gavumenti. Kwegamba ng'alinga agamba nti ffe twatta Yasin Kawoma, ffe twatta Asumani Walyendo, ffe twasse Mutyabule Charles, ffe twatta Nabukenya Rita, ffe twatta Dani Kyeyune, ffe tutta abawagizi baffe. Ekyo no kya buswavu gy'oli President Museveni. Yavuddeyo neyewaana n'okwewaana nga ekibiina kye ekyawangudde okulonda kw'abavubuka okw'abalema n'okw'abakadde okwakagwa gye buvuddeko. Kyewunyisa nnyo baganda bange nga gavumenti emaze emyaka kati gigenda okubeera 35 mu buyinza evaayo neyewaana nti ewangudde ekibiina ekitanaweza myezi 2. Naye ate ng'ekisinga okunyuma nti naye akimanyi nti buli we twatalewa kandidate okutuuka ku bitundu 94 ku 100 twawangudde. Kati Mwami Museveni ekyogerako nze nkyogerako ne leero njagala okyogerako, njagala okusoomooza bw'obanga ddala weeyita musajja, bw'obanga ddala akazinda lwaki simanyi babakuzi awo mbeera nsaaga bannange abafantu basobola babuli. Njagala okusoomooza President Museveni bw'obanga ddala olina obuwagizi, leka okulonda kubeere kwa mazima na bwenkanya olyoke olabe. Let me say this in English again. President Museveni came out chest thumping about apparently winning the special interest groups elections that were concluded recently. It is funny how a party that has been in power to close to 35 years can come out chest thumping about purportedly winning an election against a party that is less than 2 months old. But again, even though all the state machinery was deployed to rig and abuse that election, I want to challenge you, President Museveni, like I've challenged you in the past. I want to challenge you to a free and fair election if you really have the support that you say you have. People power! Njagala n'okwogera mpozi ne ku ttemu n'okukozesa eryanyi ebyabaddewo mu kulonda okwa kamyufu ka NRM. Ekyo nno bannayuganda bannange njagala kibalage wawe tuli nabaani abali mu mitambo gy'eggwanga lyaffe lino Uganda. Twanabye mu kamyufu kano nga keetobeseemu vulugu owa buli kika. Bulijjo batuyita abayani, bulijjo batuyita bagooni, bulijjo batuyita bahuligani. Naye ndowooza nammwe mwenna abali eyo mwalabye bahuligani be baani. Mwalabye nga MP gwe bayita Walyomu akiikirira Akagoma ng'alwanagana n'omukyala newankubadde ab'amateeka ne poliisi tebalina kye baamukoze. Mwalabye minisita Omulamba ng'akutte emmundu ng'agezaako okutta abantu. Era basibo ne bannyabo mumanyi nti bannayuganda basukka 7 battiddwa newankubadde gavumenti ya NRM ekyo eyagala bannamawulire bakyogereko nnyo. Mwalabye okugulirira abalonzi okwagenze mu maaso, era ng'okwo okugulira abalonzi twongera okuvumirira kubanga kukyagenda mu maaso. Gavumenti ya Mwami Museveni ekozesa ssente ez'omusolo ne ssente ezeewoleddwa mu mannya gaffe ng'Abannayuganda, mu mannya g'abaana baffe n'abazzukulu, ate zeekozesa okugulira abalonzi, zeekozesa obbagulira piki, zeekozesa obbagulira amagaali n'okubawa cash. Ekyo nno kya buswavu, basaanye babeere baswavu ddala. Njagala n'okwogera ate ku butagoberera mateeka, okukozesa obubi emmundu ebiri mu genda mu maaso. Abasinga mwalabye ebifaananyi ne videos ku social media Yes, abasinga balabye ebifaananyi ne videos ku social media eby'omwami omu eyeeyita Sipapa nga bazze ne bakuba amasasi awekamo kya ku kizimbe kyaffe katono batte abaana be tukola nabo awatali musango. Newankubadde ng'ebyo byabadde bwe bityo era nga byabunye eggwanga lyonna, poliisi ya Uganda yaloopeddwa yagituuseeko naye tewali kye baakozeewo. Ekyo kya buswavu era kyongera okwanika gavumenti eno, kyongera okwanika poliisi, kyongera n'okwanika obutabeerawo nfuga y'amateeka wano. Nga maliriza njagala okwogera ne ku kusibwa n'okukwatibwa okw'abannaffe ba agenti baffe abali mu bitundu by'eggwanga eby'enjawulo abawandiika bammemba abeegatta ku kibiina kyaffe ekya National Unity Platform. Babakwata ne bagamba nti bawandiika bayeekera, naye nga ffe be bayita abayeekera, kino ekibiina kiriwo mu mateeka ne bye tukola byonna tubikola mu mateeka. Ekyo nno kyongera okwoleka obutiitiizi bwa gavumenti ya Mwami Museveni. Njagala okumaliriza nga nange ngatta eddoboozi lyange kuli omwogezi waffe. Ripooti nyingi ezavudde eyo, mumwe bannaffe abaagala okwesimbawo, abamu nga beemulugunya nti wali abantu ababasaba ssente. Nyongera okikkaatiriza nti fulaga oba tiketi ya National Unity Platform okwesimbawo si yakutunda. Tewabaawo omuntu yenna yenna akusaba ssente nti agenda kuyamba okukuwiisa mu kamyufu okufuna tiketi ya NUP oba ya People Power. Omuntu yenna yenna anakusaba ssente abeera amenya amateeka n'ebiruubirirwa byaffe, era ennamba bazibawadde. Tusaba nammwe mutuyambe mutuuseeko obubaka oba amawulire ago. Naawe ali eyo towaayo ssente zonna zonna. Oyo ali enguzi n'oyo awa enguzi bonna babeera bakyamu. Kale nno bwe bakusaba enguzi n'ogiwa obeera mukyamu, ate ne bwe bakusaba enguzi n'osirika era obeera mukyamu. Tuvumirira okulya enguzi, tulwanyisa obuli bw'enguzi nga tukyalwana okutwala obukulembeze bw'eggwanga lyaffe, era tujja kulwanyisa obuli bw'enguzi nga tumaze okutwala obukulembeze bw'eggwanga lyaffe lino. Kale nno tubasaba mwenna mubeere bwe mutyo era tukwatagane tusobole okutuukiriza ebiruubirirwa byaffe ebyo. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala bassebo ne bannyabo lwa Katonda n'ensi yange. Okay, thank you, Mr. President. We can now get to some questions if there are any. Yes, Mr. Matimba, wait.
Kankibuuze mu Luganda, amanya Sematimba Bwejere. Kino kigenda eri omwogezi gwe wennyini. Abamu ku bacandidates tutandise okufuna amawulire kibabeera mu bitundu gye bali. Abamu beewanira ku bannaabwe nga be balina bendera, era ebimu nga bitandise n'okuyita ku mitimbagano. Gundi ne gundi mu kitundu bwekiti ne bwekiti bamaze okubalonda be bagirina. Ekyo kiri kitya era abantu bategeeza nti ku nsonga eyo eri abantu abagenda beewaana nti bamaze okufuna bendera.
Okay, Derek Wandera, ebibuuzo bya bannamawulire.
Thank you, Derek Wandera, Daily Monitor. I've three questions. One is concerning the theory that has been in the public about the firing of one of the Electoral Commission members, Lubega Mukaku. We want the party to come out clear on why he was fired, because is not yet clear. The second question is about the continued criticism that's going on the social media about the members of NUP and People Power on the social media. They have been termed abusive, intolerant, and brutal, using their words. I've asked this question before, but I want to know what are some of the measures put in place to combat this. The third question is about one of the lawyers of NUP who petitioned the Electoral Commission for President Museveni's papers. We would like to know how far have you gone with this? Is there any response that has been given to you? Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Spokesperson ekibuzo kigenda ddala wo.
Yes, kubuli erinnya lyo bategeere media house.
Amani Ombedda Nansona Shamim. I work with Top Media. Kino ekibuzo kibadde nnyo balons olw'ensonga nti ffe tuli ddoboozi lyawamu era nga bakituma bingi. Abalonzi balina ekibuuzo ekibabobbya omutwe era ekikyabaluma tebamanyi we bagenda kikolera mu kulonda okusemberedde okwa 2021 nga bagamba nti ogenda okwesanga mu constituency emu abantu abaagala kadi eya NIOP balinga 10+. So nga babuuza mugenda kikola kitya era nga bo bandyetaaze oba babuuza musobola obbawo omukisa bo ne basonga ku oyo gwe basuubira ayinza okubakolera bye baagala oba amanyi ebizibu byabwe nga bana constituency. Nikuba muyinza okuwa omuntu kaadi naye ng'ate bo nga ab'omu kitundu oba nga ab'omu constituency si gwe balinamu essuubi era nga si gwe baagala kati nga babuuza banaafuna omukisa oba bo muyina engeri muyinza okubatuukira babalage nti owange oyo ffe gwe tulaba ayinza okubeera ayinza okutukolera nga banakitundu. Tekibadde ekibuuzo kya spokesperson. Thank you.
Okay, right behind you. Then I'll come to this side.
My name is Baker Bate. Mine actually is related to what she's asking. You said you are putting in place committees that are going to the constituencies to see how, what have you, the candidate. How about that time? The question is, some people are wondering, how about you spend that time in recruiting, I mean, in putting up structures in the constituencies for the people themselves to choose a person they want to represent them other than a particular committee somewhere, wherever it is coming from, coming to dictate terms for people saying, Nubaga or in Kauren, I mean in Kawempe, that this is your candidate. And number two, you've talked about people who are putting the cards on sale. Can you explain more on that particular issue? What are you hearing? Because for us, what we are hearing is that the cards are for sale. And what are you hearing on your side? Because out there, people think there is a particular office you go to and you pay a particular amount and you get the card. So, according to what you are hearing, what is it? What are you hearing? Is it different from what we are hearing?
Okay, thank you. Akim, then I'll come to this side.
My name is Lawrence Chitata. My question is about people lost from their friends. Some of them have already come out and announced themselves that they are lost to NUP. But in particular, Chabai Brown, she went on record that she was to be NUP. What's your take on that? Are you welcoming those people?
Okay, let's come to this side.
Amanya Simalisima, Ekyoto, Anansona. Kiki kye mwogera ku UCC okuvaayo newa deadline kuwandiisibwa kwa online pages. Twakira abantu Honorable Kyagulanyi yavaayo n'ateeka Facebook lockdown olw'abantu abaasukka. Era UCC mulowooza tegendereddeemu kubakkakkanya olw'amaanyi ge mulina ku social media.
Okay.
From Record TV.
One, people are concerned that the electoral committee of NEP has people that are vying for particular positions. How are they going to be fair? Two, we said electoral commission has not come out clear on your party symbol. So what happens if we know they are not yet about to come? What will happen to your flag? Are we going to see a yellow umbrella, or are we going to see a black?
An umbrella.
This is an umbrella telephone. Ndakuongeza okwashamini. Twogera ku kyokuba nti obuli bw'enguzi buva mu nnuku oba tebulabikirawo. Tufunyeeko ku cases abantu ab'emulugunya nti babadde bagibwako ssente basobole okwebwa cards okwesima okufa ebyenjawulo.
Thank you. My name is Timothy. I work for NCD. Mine, I needed clarification from you, Joel. You said the allegations that you took part in the NRM primary. Do you confirm your members took part in the NRM primary?
Just to supplement on that, and you accept the fact that opposition or no guys disorganized NRM primaries.
Mukuru gye werongeddamu ebyo abe munye Google TV kyembuuza oyogedde ku nsonga ey'abantu abagenda mu field nga bakolekitinga ku ssente kyabadde kya Hajjat Aisha Kabanda ye yayogedde ku nsonga eyo nti waliyo tiimu ez'abantu abagenda either babiri you pay the money you contribute ne bakuwandiika and they give you that ID y'ekibiina. Kati ekibuuzo kyange gwe tolowooza nti wandibaayo abalala abakola kyekimu ekyo era kyanjawulo ki receipts bano ze bayina eziyinza okudifaringa ku zaabali ze bayinza okukozesa mu field? Tosuubira nti wajja kubayo n'abalala abakola kyekimu ekyo ab'okunasa?
Okay. All right, let me respond to that. Can I have the microphone back somehow? I'm going to respond to some. I'll invite some of my colleagues. A number of the questions were targeting me directly, and I'll ask some of the others. There's a question of some.
Yes, sir, call.
So I'll respond to some. I'll ask some of my colleagues to respond to others, and our team leader. For starters, Sematimba Wenjiri asked about people who are claiming to have flags already. You see, let's use an example. If Flavia Kalule is an amazing lady, she heads our women's wing, she wakes up tomorrow and says, for me, I'm the Queen of England. She goes on TV and goes on the radio and she says, for me, I am the Queen of England. That does not make her the Queen of England because she has a light skin and all of that, yeah? She remains Flavia Karina Bagabe all the way from Kasana. Point though is, people will call themselves different things. Those who will say, I'm the one whom they've given the flag and all of that. You don't give yourself the flag. The party gives the flag to you. So I would like to let everybody know that a list shall be released of all those that have been given the flag after the processes have been completed. There's a list that is making rounds on social media. We don't know about that list as the National Unity Platform. So let's wait for the official list that will be released by the party indicating who the flag bearers for the various positions are going to be. Anybody calling themselves different things, actually put them to task. So you're saying they give you the flag. How? Okay, but also get in touch with us for proper clarity. But point is, anybody that comes saying, for me, I'm the one whom they have given the flag, that one is a liar. Until we have released the list. And we are saying we don't want to vote leaders who are liars. So anybody that says, for me, they gave me the flag already, that person is a liar. So treat them with the contempt that they deserve. Derek asked 3 questions. I'll respond to one. The one of Mwada's petition, I request Comrade Lewis to respond to that. The one of Comrade Mukagu, I request Honorable Chagula to respond to that, because Mukagu is a former presidential candidate. Honorable Chagula is going to become a presidential candidate. So I will leave issues of presidential candidates to presidential candidates. But the one about criticism, about discipline, intolerance, brutality, abuse, and all of that. For starters, as the National Unity Platform, one of our core values is discipline. And our emphasis, in fact, let me run through the core values. One is discipline, reliability, inclusiveness, integrity, fidelity, and service. There are 6 values. So the very first one is discipline. And our call to our supporters out there has been, let us be disciplined. Let us not be like the people we are trying to get out of power. Okay, so that's very important. Let's be disciplined wherever we are, in our villages, in our parishes, in our constituencies, in our districts, in our country, on social media, and wherever else. Let people see the difference between wheat and chaff. Let people see that NUP people are very disciplined. That's very important. The challenge, of course, there is twofold. One, our leaders, unfortunately, have perpetrated, have in a way ignited this indiscipline, the abuse, and all of that. Our president, President Yoweri Museveni, has gone on TV several times and called opposition people idiots, fools. He said Zake is an idiot, Honorable Zake. He has called the opposition foxes. He has called them pigs and all of that. That's the country's leader. And you see, for us, we actually expect a lot more discipline from President Museveni for 2 reasons. One, he's the country's leader, at least currently. But 2, he is an old man. We expect people who are of advanced age to have a certain level of discipline. You know, we grew up being told to respect elders, and we always saw elders having respect for themselves. Our current elders do not have discipline. So when President Museveni goes on TV and he calls opposition idiots, fools, pigs, those members of the opposition, they have supporters. They have people that love them. They have people that want change. They will go on social media and abuse you too. Something that we don't condone as the National Unity Platform. But we are saying it's coming from somewhere. Because when the leader of the country goes on TV and says those things, people are going to respond, which is very unfortunate, which is very uncalled for. So we are calling for discipline from Mr. Museveni, our country's leader. Please, sir, have some discipline. You are an old man, you're the country's leader. We want to respect you as our country's leader. Please respect yourself also. It's important. And we don't break any law by asking our country's leader to carry himself with a certain level of discipline. We must hold our leaders accountable. So we are asking, sir, President Museveni, and you might say, who are you to ask me? We are Ugandans. We are tax-paying Ugandans, and you are the current president of Uganda. Please carry yourself with certain discipline, a certain level of decorum. Because you know, when people from other countries see our president go on TV and say idiocy, pigsy, foolsy, people think all of us are like that. No. So please, our country's leader, have some discipline. Respect yourself. And then these young people shall respect you too. We are asking them to respect you. Even if they don't love you, at least let them respect your office. Because you want to take over that office, you must respect an office if you want to take over it. So we respect the office of the president. And we are calling on our supporters to have discipline, to have respect for the office of the president. But we're also calling on the current occupant of the office of the president, please respect yourself. Please be tolerant. So people are saying, yes, supporters of NUP are intolerant on social media, but look at where it's coming from. The current regime is extremely intolerant, is extremely brutal. They are beating up our people, and then you'll go on TV and say that Kyagulanyi was beaten properly. That's brutality. Extremely intolerant to the opposition. So NRM will carry out its activities, hold rallies and primaries, but you opposition people, they find Honorable Tabakuzi having about 5-10 people, they will arrest him. That's intolerance. So our young people are learning from their elders. Please, our elders, show a good example to the young people, so that it doesn't become very hard for us. When we are telling our people, please be disciplined, please be tolerant, don't be brutal, we don't want them to say, but now, Honorable Chagulanyi, now Senyon, you're telling us to be disciplined, to be tolerant, but look at our country's leaders. So it's important that that balance gets to happen. We call upon our supporters, let's have discipline. Our team leader has said it several times. If you want to abuse, if you want to say all these manner of big words, first put off our beret, first put off our paraphernalia, put it aside, then you say what you want to say. You as you, so that our name is not put into bad light. As People Power and as NUP. That's very important. So our call to our supporters out there, let's be disciplined. Let people see that these young people are going to take over leadership. They are going to be different. They are going to have respect for themselves, respect for the country. They will have a certain level of decorum. Let them see that. Let's not be like President Museveni, who is abusing and calling people idiots and foxes and fools and pigs. Let's not be like him. Let Ugandans see the difference between President Museveni and his government and the People Power and NUP. That's soon I was asking about involving voters in candidate selection. My colleague has mentioned that we're not just going to, the election management committee is not just going to sit here in our offices and decide that now in Chiboga it must be this one by force. No. It's important that the people are involved, and like you were saying, we're going to have teams go to these places to gather information from the voters, to involve them in this process, because it's people power. The people must have a stake in this. So the election management committee is not going to sit here and decide on their own. They'll follow certain parameters to evaluate these are leaders, but also it's going to be teams that will go on ground and collect information and hear from the people moving around to get a pulse. What are people saying about these different candidates? And you know the people don't lie. The people do not lie. So that's why they're going to be involved in this process. Baker was asking, I think that question, yes, structures for people to be able to choose. He's asking, what are you hearing? People are saying cards are for sale. Mr. Baker, we have made it very clear. As the leadership of the party, cards are not for sale. The flag, the membership cards of the party, those ones are for sale. At 1,000 shillings, no one should sell to you cards at 3,000 and 5,000. They are 1,000 shillings. And we have made that unequivocally clear. The flag, for anybody that is to get a flag, those flags are not for sale. We have made it explicitly clear as the leadership of the party. And that's why we're saying anybody that has concerns about any query, somebody is asking for money and so on, please report, and then we shall deal with those people as should be. Lawrence is asking, those who have lost in the NRM, can they join the National Unity Platform? The doors of the National Unity Platform, NUP, are open to anybody that is willing to join us, anybody that is on the same agenda we are on, and that is change of leadership, and then change and transformation of our country. Our doors are open to anybody, regardless of where they are coming from. Whether they are from NRM, from DP, from FDC, from nowhere, from wherever, you're welcome to join us. And when they join us, they are going to abide by the laws of the party, the regulations of the party, the leadership of the party. That's very important. So, and I had Honorable Rukutana's supporters saying, if you don't release our man, we're going to join NUP. And well, they have a right to say that, either because they love him or he has done for them whatever, I don't know. But NUP's doors are open, but whoever joins us, please, don't come and join us just because you're saying, my person has been released, I am arm twisting you. No, join us because you are focused on the mission we are on. And that is change of leadership of our country, and then change and transformation of the state of affairs in our country. Those such people are very welcome to join us. I think those are the issues that... okay, I'll finally talk about Juma's question. Do you concede that... Do you confirm that NUP participated in the NRM primaries? You see, from my very little knowledge about the law, when the leader of the NRM, President Museveni, said anybody can vote, even those not in the register, for starters, I think that's ultra-bias. I think that's against the law. Because if a party is to hold primaries, only members of the party should be able to participate. And I've had some members saying they're going to hold. But anyway, that's their business. They'll be able to deal with it. So when they said anybody can participate, we don't know. I don't speak for the NRM. I do not participate in their affairs. What I have heard them confess by their own mouths is that NUP participated in their primaries, and that is why a number of their big shots, ministers, lost in the primaries. And for us, we're saying, okay, if that's your confession, then you are agreeing to what we have been saying, that NUP is everywhere, because you have been saying it's only in Kampala. So it is their confession. As NUP, we did not send anybody to go and participate. But the NRM has confessed. That's their confession. So take them at their word. I'll say this very quickly in Uganda. Have you asked for this in Uganda? Then they'll be responded. The others will be responded to by our team leader. Semativo Winchide, Yabuziza, Wanafa, Bamubaga, Mantipo Flaga, Bazifunada. Omuntu Pajana Kugamba and Flaga, Yajifunada, Mubuzi, Yajifunacha, Kubanga, Gechivina, Tugenda, Wanjula, Olukalala, Oluabo, Nabagin, Okwane Flaga, Yechivina, Kubi Jaulo. So katuliwa abaye n'agamba nti fulaga yagifunya kya kubanga ng'ekibiina titunda yanjula nsonga eyo. Omuntu yekka gwe twakawa fulaga mu kibiina kino ye Honorable Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Fulaga y'obwa pulezidenti basigadde tugenda kuta olukalala olulaga bani abagenda okukwata bendera eya NUP. Wandera yabuuziza ku nsonga bannaffe abavuma social media n'awalala nga bagamba people power NUP, tuli bantalo tuvuma abantu naki. Okusookera ddala ffe nga NUP tukkiririza mu discipline, tukkiririza mu bukakkamu, era abawagizi baffe abali eyo tubakubiriza bannaye tubeere bakkakkamu, tubeere n'empisa, tukkiririza mu mpisa. Ekyo kikulu nnyo kubanga betulwanyisa tebalina mpisa, basiwuka empisa kyokutoola tubalwanyisa, kati ate ffe tetuyinza kubeera nga bo. So abawagizi baffe tubakubiriza bannaye tubeere n'empisa, tubeere n'obukkakkamu, era tuze nga tukyogera nti munnaye bw'obanga gwe oli eyo oyagala kuvuma sooka ogyeko enkofiira yaffe okiteeke wansi, ebigandula byaffe ebya people power ne NUP ebiteeke wansi, oyogera ebigambo byo gwe nga gwe. Naye bw'ogenda ku social media oyambadde enkofiira yaffe, oyambadde ebigandula n'oyogera byoyogedde ovumaganye people power ne NUP, ekyo nedda tetugenda kikkiriza. So bannaffe abali eyo tubeere n'empisa, tubeere n'obukkakkamu. Engulu eyo tugenda gyambala, tetutya. Tetubeera nga bali betulwanyisa. Omanye ekizibu ekiriwo nti kaakati Mwai Museveni ne gavumenti ye bo empisa zaasiwuka dda. Omukulu Mwai Museveni agenda n'atuula ku TV ne ku radio n'ayita ab'opposition, n'abayita abasiru, n'abayita idiots, n'abayita embizzi, n'abayita idiots. Jojuzi yavuma Honorable Zaaka ali wano n'agamba nti oyo idiot naki. Kaakati omukulembeze bw'onooyogera bw'otyo abakugoberera abato oyita abasukulu osuubira bo banaakola ki? Wati omukulembeze weewe ekitiibwa, weebereremu Mwami Museveni, beerako n'empisa. Ate kyennyamiza nti kaakati nze omuto yeza kuwulira nti kati beera n'empisa kyalibadde obvious, kubanga ffe twakulaba tugamba nti abantu abakulu abakadde tubawe ekitiibwa kubanga beyisa n'ekitiibwa. Mwatuse ffese bwe twagala tukuwa ekitiibwa kubanga entebe gy'otoddemu tugiwa ekitiibwa kyo kutolaba tugyegwanyiza. Naye ate kati gwe ng'omuntu entebe yate ogisaabe ettaka, ogenda ku TV n'ovuma n'oyogera agagamba aganene, abaana kye bava bavaayo nabo ne bakuvuma. Tetuwagira muntu yenna kuvuma, tetuwagira abaana baffe kuvuma Mwai Museveni ne gavumenti. Naye ati Mwai Museveni bannaye wekkulu beera n'empisa. Oba kale wakiri oganya okubeera n'empisa ng'omukulembeze, kati weewe empisa omuntu mukulu omukadde. Bw'ogenda ku TV idiots, abo basiru, ezo mbizzi naki, bannaye ekyo kifaananyi kyosiga kikyamu. Kati abali eyo mu nsi endala balaba pulezidenti waffe asiwusa empisa, ayogera ebigambo ne balowooza nti ffenna bannayuganda tuli bwe tutyo. Nedda munnange, ssebo totusaaba ttaka, toyonoona linnya lyaffe, omukulembeze ow'eggwanga. So abawagizi baffe tubakubiriza tubeere n'empisa, tetubeera ate nga Mwai Museveni ne gavumenti ye abatuvumirira, abayogera agagambo. Bannayuganda balabewo enjawulo wakati waabo ab'empisa abali ku mulamwa n'abo abaasiiwuka empisa. Bwe batyo bajja tukkiririzamu batugira obululu nga balaba bano abavubuka balina empisa, tebali ng'olina mukadde eyeeyisa obubi. Nasuuna yayogedde ku bannansi ab'enjawulo kwetaba mu kulonda abanakwata flaga tukigenda kolebwa akakiiko kaffe tekagenda tula wano e Kampala kasalewo kati ekibuga ono yalina okukwata bendera abantu nabo balina okwetabamu era tulina ttiimu ezigenda okugenda mu bitundu by'eggwanga ebyenjawulo constituencies ez'enjawulo zeebuze ku bantu ziyiteyite mu training center ziyingireko munda zibuuze abato abavubuka abakadde bakandesi ku bano abasatu abataano ani muwulira ali ku ground. So tiimu ezo zijja kuleeta ripooti zibiwa akakiiko, so akakiiko tekagenda salawo obusasi, abantu bagenda kwetaba mu process eno. Beeka yabuuzizza bituulira ku abatunda zikaadi naki membership card zo za kutunda za nusu 10 tebakukyajinga 13 oba 5 za 10 naye fulaga y'ekibiina ensi yakutunda ekyo tukyogedde. Omuntu yenna anagamba nti pasente ja kumegera sure ofune fulaga oyo abeera mulimba mutuloopere enamba tuzibawadde mututegeeze ku nsonga eyo. Yakusembyayo Juma Kidya Lawrence agambye abo abagudde mu kabifu ka NRM tunaabakiriza okujja otwegattako mu NUP enzigi ffe nga NUP zigule byagala okujja otwegattako aje bavuddewa naye ajje ng'akimanyi nti ajja kumulamwa gwe tuliko okwagala enkyukakyuka tukyuse obukulembeze tukyuse eggwanga lyattu weewo gwegwe omulamwa gwe tuliko. So buli ajja tujja mwaniriza naye tumugambe lino lyekkubo lye tutambuliramu gano ge mateeka ge tugoberera amateeka ago gagoberere mu buli ngeri. Yakusembyayo Juma Kidya yabuuzizza nti kati tukkiriza nti nga NUP twetabye mu kamyufu ka NRM. Ffe nga NUP tetulina gwe twasindise kati genda kuba tuli bize mwatuka tuli bize ebyokukola biyitirivu tetukwasaganya tetulina gwe twasindise nti kati genda ate wetabe mu process za NRM. Tuli mbagamba mu recruiting bonna abali gye bali naye abakulu mu NRM bakkiriza bavudde ne bagamba nti NUP beetabye mu kamyufu kaffe be bakyogedde bo n'akamwa kaabwe. So bakanyiza bakkiriza ffe kyetuze tugamba nti NUP eri buli wamu batera okugamba NUP eri wano Kampala naki naye kakati bagamba nti NUP yeetabye mu bululu era baminisita ne bangi abanene mu NRM tovudolaba bawanguddwa. Kati bakkiriza n'ebigambo byabwe nti NUP eri buli wamu eri Ekoboko eri Esheema Esoroti wawawawa eri buli wamu be bakkiriza. So si ffe ababoogeredde ensonga eyo. So I think that is the issue. Because of nkizeemu era kuyita omukulembeze waffe alokotagula kisentamu addemu ebirala ebizibuzibu bino bya UCU simanya bikoze bijja ebyo sebujjangu.
Thank you very much. Maybe before I answer the questions, I must also salute another of our comrades, the Honorable Rutamaguzi. I was telling you about the double standards of this regime. The Honorable Member of Parliament was arrested, apparently meeting a few of his people, while NRM candidates are going around campaigning. Shame again. But Honorable Rutamaguzi, on behalf of myself and the NUP, we stand with you and we encourage you to soldier on. Now, we were asked whether or not Comrade Mukaku was fired. I want to assert that Comrade Mukaku was not fired. He was only redeployed. And I wonder why that has been deliberately driven down. Comrade Lubega Mukaku is one of us. He used to serve under the Election Management Committee, and he was redeployed somewhere where we deemed necessary to have his skills. And yes, Comrade Joel answered this, but I'll say it again also about those that are coming from NRM joining us. Of course they are welcome. Everybody is welcome. Many of us here have been associated with the NRM, but over time and for different reasons, they have been breaking ties with the NRM. And yes, after the rigging and the violence and the indiscipline in their recently concluded primaries, another lot is having another valid reason to leave the NRM. So you are welcome, comrades. About UCC, UCC came out and said that it apparently has the power to regulate our social media communication. With all due respect, I think that is, let me avoid using Museveni words. But you all know that this regime has been trying to control our voices. This regime has been trying as much as possible to stifle the voices of dissent. Social media and the internet was the last platform that Ugandans had for free speech. But you know that in 2017, the government of Uganda introduced OTT. OTT, President Museveni in his own words said he was limiting the Lugambo on social media. But in truth, he was scared of the voices that are increasing every day against his regime of blood and national shame. And now after OTT failed, because Ugandans are determined, even if they have to pay to express themselves, they do it. Now, this is another desperate measure, which I'm sure will also fail. And yes, Derek Wandela from the Monitor asked about what we think of a lawyer, one Mwada Nkunyinji, who petitioned the Electoral Commission asking them to avail him, like any other Ugandan, the academic credentials of President Museveni. Ladies and gentlemen, we all know that President Museveni never presented his academic credentials to become president of Uganda. He only picked up a gun, killed people, and ended up in State House. And up to today, nobody knows which academic documents President Museveni has been using for the last, I don't know how many presidential elections. And yes, the Electoral Commission was very quick to avail my academic documents. The same Electoral Commission continues to expose itself as one-sided, as not independent, as partial, because they have deliberately refused to release President Museveni's academic credentials, therefore creating a lot of doubt about whether or not President Museveni and his wife actually went to school. So, we want to add our voice on that of Council Mwada Nkunyinji to call upon the Electoral Commission to not continuously expose itself. If you really ever received the academic qualifications of President Museveni and yes, his wife, please avail them, because this is provided for under the Access to Information Act. I must also mention that in 1980, President Milton Obote said, and the videos are available, that Yoweri Kaguta Museveni is not a Ugandan. There has been doubt for more than 40 years about whether or not Museveni is a Ugandan. So I want to challenge President Museveni to remove that doubt and prove to us that one, he is really qualified to be president, and two, that he's a Ugandan. I will also say that having proved to everybody that I'm qualified to run and be president of Uganda, at an opportune time, I will provide proof of more than 7 of my grandfathers and great-great-great-grandparents up to 400 years ago. that I am the son of Uganda. Bino kambide mu Luganda. Ensonga emu gye saayogeddeko gye njagala okwogerako y'ey'obunanfuusi obwa gavumenti eno ekulirwa President Museveni. Ey'okuleka ab'ekibiina kye kya NRM ne beeyagalira mu nsi yaffe ne bakola byonna bye baagala ne bategeka akamyufu kaabwe nga kabakuumibwa poliisi n'amagye. Naye Honorable Lutamaguzi ow'e Nakaseke olwaleero ali mu ddwaliro oluvannyuma lw'okukwatibwa n'okukubibwa kubanga yali asisinkana abalonzi be abatasukka yadde 40. Obuno bwe bunnanfuusi bwa gavumenti eno gye tugenda okuggyako mu myezi mitono nnyo. Batubuuziza n'ebikwata ku munnaffe Lubega Mukaaku, munnamawulire omu n'abuuza lwaki yagobebwa. Njagala okikkaatiriza nti Lubega Mukaaku teyagobebwa, wabula yaweebwa obuvunaanyizibwa obulala obwawukana n'obwakakiiko akakola ku nsonga z'ebyokulonda. Ffe mu NUP bwe tulaba omuntu obusobozi bwe ng'ate bufiitinga abantu abalala, ate ne tukkiriziganya naye n'akkiriza okuwaayo obusobozi bwe okukola emirimu egyo, mwana tulowooza tekimenya mateeka okumuwa omulimu omulala ogw'okukola. Kino munaffe Joel Ssenyonyi yakyogeddeko, naye nange muzikirize nkyogereko, ekyabo bannaffe abalangiridde bwe bagenda okwegattako mu National Unity Platform People Power okuva mu kibiina ekya NRM oluvannyuma lw'akavuyo n'evulugu eyabadde mu kamyufu kaabwe. Njagala okozesa eddoboozi ly'omwanguka okubagamba baganda baffe abo nti baanirizibwa n'emutima omuggule n'emikono emiggule. Bangi kuffe abali wano olumu gye buvuddeko twali tukolaganyeko n'ekibiina kya NRM oba ne gavumenti ya NRM, naye olw'ensonga ezitali zimu era ku biseera ebitali bimu abangi gye buvuddeko abalala baddirira n'abalala bakavaayo balina ensonga lwaki baawukana ne gavumenti eyo gye tubadde nga tubannyonnyola. Bangi bawulira bye tubannyonnyola, bangi bakyerabiddeko, era kano akamyufu akakaggwa olw'emivuyo n'evulugu abibaddemu n'obunnanfuusi bannaffe bangi nabo babuuse ekibiina kya NRM. So tubaaniriza, tujja bayisa kyekimu, tetugenda basukkulumya ate tetugenda bateeka wansi, kubanga ffe mu NUP ffenna twenkanankana. Ako nsonga y'ekitongole kya Uganda Communications Commission UCC okuvaayo ne bayisa ekiwandiiko nti abo bonna abaagala okuyisa amaloboozi gaabwe oba okozesa internet oba okozesa social media Facebook, Twitter, Instagram n'emikutu egyo nga bagamba nti ffenna abaagala okwogera bye twagala ku pages zaffe titulina okufuna olukusa. Newala nnyo okozesa ebigambo bya Mwami Museveni kuba tebiwa kifaananyi kirungi eri omugigi omuto. Naye wakati mbawo ekitiibwa nja kugamba nti ekyo kyekimu kubitakwatagana oba ebyobutabaamu nsa ebingi bye bazze boogera. Ffenna tukimanyi nti eno gavumenti ebadde efuba nnyo okutuusiba emimwa. Eno gavumenti ebadde efuba nnyo okulemesa amaloboozi g'Abannayuganda okuwulikika, naddala ago amaloboozi agoogera amazima, amaloboozi agabalabisa. Mujjukira mwenna mu 2017 nti baleeta omusolo ku internet, ku social media, ku application ze bataatandikawo naye ne baziteekako omusolo nga President Museveni annyonnyola tituzikozesa kuwaayo lugambo. Oboolyawo yali ategeeza kukola lugambo ku ffujjo n'obunnanfuusi bwa gavumenti ye. Ekyo bwe kyalema kuba mwenna mumanyi nti Bannayuganda beeteefuteefu ne bwe kiba kyetaagisa kuteekamu ssente okusitula amaloboozi gaabwe okuwulirwa okusobola okununa eggwanga lyabwe bajja kikola era bagenze mu maaso ne bakikola. Waliwo omusolo ku social media naye tugikozesa bulungi nnyo kubanga zi radio ne zi TV zonna baaziwamba. Kaakati baleese era ebyo ebibooziboozi naye era nabyo nkakasa era namwe mbakakasa nti bijja kulemwa ng'ebirala byonna byonna bye babadde bateekawo ebiremeddwa. Nga nsembayo Mwami Derek Wandera okuva Monitor yabuuza kitulowooza ku munnamateeka gwe bayita Muwadanku Nyingi eyavaayo nga ayita mu tteeka eriwa Abannayuganda olukusa okufuna ebiwandiiko oba okufuna information mu kakiiko k'ebyokulonda n'ebitongole bya gavumenti byonna. Weewaawo tukimanyi nti munnamateeka oyo yavaayo n'asaba ebiwandiiko President Museveni byabadde akozesanga era byakozesa okwesimbawo mu 2016 wakati mu butaswala obw'akakiiko k'ebyokulonda aka Uganda. Akakiiko kennyini gye buvuddeko akaavaayo bunnambiro ne kawaayo ebiwandiiko byange ebiraga obuyigirize bwange, naye nga ke kakiiko ke kamu olunaku lwaleero kawogera Ludicha kaganye okuwaayo ebiwandiiko ebikakasa obuyigirize bwa President Museveni. Ekyo kya buswavu, ekyo kyongera okwanika akakiiko ak'ebyokulonda akagulira Mwami Byabakama nti si ka mazima, si ka bwenkanya era akakozesebwa bukozesebwa. Njagala okugatta eddoboozi lyange ku lwange ne ku lwa NUP kwaga amaloboozi amangi agabuuza nti ddala Museveni yasoma? Ddala mukyala wa Museveni yasoma? Bwe baba baasoma kale akakiiko k'ebyokulonda tukasoomooza kagoberera amateeka kubanga kiri mu tteeka kaliriizinge ebiwandiiko ebikakasa nti President Museveni yasoma. Okusoma kwe kubadde kwebuzibwabuzibwa era nejjuzi bwe yabadde ayogera yakomye kwogera ku mwaka gw'69 ng'asoma senior 5 emwiri teyayongeddeko. Kale no akakiiko k'ebyokulonda tubasoomooza mutuwe ebiwandiiko ebyo. Fena tukimanyi nti President Museveni okufuuka pulezidenti teyaleeta biwandiiko bye bya buyigirize n'abireeta mu kakiiko k'ebyokulonda. Yakwata bukwasi mundu ne bayeekera banne ne bagenda ne batandika okutta Bannayuganda paka nga batuuse mu State House. Kati tetumanyi biwandiiko ki byabadde akozesa emirundi gyonna gy'abadde yeesimbawo okulondebwa. Twagala naffe okulaba ku biwandiiko bya President Museveni tukakase oba atukulembera si misomo gy'alema. Mu mbeera y'emu ffenna tukimanyi nti mu mwaka gwa 1980 President Milton Obote ng'ali ku National TV, in fact yali ku BBC era n'ebifaananyi weebiri, yavaayo n'agamba nti Yoweri Museveni si munnayuganda. Ekyo ffenna tetukinaako bukakafu kubanga ekyo ekibuuzo kibaddewo okumala emyaka 40 olwaleero. Era mu mbeera y'emu njagala okusomesa President Museveni bwali President wa ggwanga aveeyo agiwo okubuusabuusa okwo atukakase nti ddala munnayuganda, atukakase nti ddala yazaalibwa wano. Nze ng'omuntu nange mu bbanga eritali lya wala nja kuvaayo nga bwe nabakakasa nti nnyina ebiwandiiko ebiraga obuyigirize obunzikiriza okufuuka President wa Uganda, era nja kuvaayo mbalambululire bajjajja bange paka ku generation ya 7 oba ya 10 emyaka 14 egiyise mbagende we baazikibwa bakakase nti ndi munnayuganda. Ekyo njagala ne Museveni naye akikola. People power, our power, people power, people power, our power, people power. NUP everywhere, NUP. Will I do the national anthem? Then I'll have the microphone taken to Honorable Zaki to lead us in prayer.
No, Tom, ikibuzo cyane.
Check your record. I responded to that question, huh? Well, we have put out a number, so let's wait for those cases to come. All right. Flavia, kindly lead us in the national anthem, and then Honorable Zaki will pray for us.
Olutalo ngaluwete tuyambale ngule tuyambale ngule tuyambale ngule olutalo ngaluwete tuyambale ngule tulivimba mu Uganda tuyambala 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 engule masa masa kwejiri olutalo ngaluwete tuyambale ngule tulivimba mu Uganda when the struggle is over shall wear the victor's crown shall wear the victor's crown shall wear the victor's crown when the struggle is over shall wear the victor's crown shall we the new Uganda people power our power people power everywhere oh Uganda people the holy we lay our future in thy hand united free for liberty together we'll always stand.
We are going to have a prayer together, and let's pray the Lord's Prayer. Our Father, people power, our power, people power. All right, thank you everybody. Have yourselves a good day.
Is our president! Is our president!
We no plan.
Juma, na position.
Era nayoza yoza